St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, so today we're going to make this quick, easy wreath. Start it out with the 12-inch frame. Put on your pipe cleaners or your Chanel stamps, whatever you'd like to call them. I put one on the bottom row on each section, and then one in the middle and top row on each section, all the way around. You've got your 20-inch Deco Mesh at the side there, the white and the green. For me, this is a stash buster, so I'm using stuff that I had in my stash that it's time to get rid of and use up. Once you've got your working wreath and your pipe cleaners all the way around, you take your 20-inch Deco Mesh, and I'm just gathering it up in my fingers, making a little bit of a ripple effect in it. Pull it tight, take it and put it very securely in one of the pipe cleaners. Turn your pipe cleaners as tight as you can a couple times around, and that's how it gets started. Once you got it started, I just pull each one 10 inches. I use my board for reference. Pull it tight, do exactly what you did to start, and put it in the next pipe cleaner. Once you finish on the outside edge, just simply move up to the inside edge. The exact same process. Gather it up 10 inches in between and put it into the middle pipe cleaners and secure as tightly as you can. Now it's time to start on the white Deco Mesh. Use the exact same process, especially at the start. You have to make sure it's very, very secure. Put it in and put your pipe cleaner as tight as you can, and then do the exact same thing all the way around. I use the white and put it all around the outside edge. You, of course, can do whatever you like, whatever color combination you like. This is just for St. Patrick's Day. Now that I've finished with all the deco mesh, it's time for the fun stuff. All my decorations that I'm using today, I just got at the local Dollarama, inexpensive, and you just put them in your wreath however you want. Whatever you think looks good, take things apart. I am using the existing pipe cleaners that I have in the wreath in order to secure these decorations. Now it's time to make the bow. Of course, this is a stash buster for me, so I'm using whatever greenish ribbon that I had in my stash. I didn't want to buy anything new. I am using the Pro Bow, the hand, to help me make my bow. Of course, you can make your bow however you like. There are so many tutorials on YouTube on how to make bows. I just find this the easiest way, and since I have it, I love to use it. When it comes time to fluff the bow, you can take as long as you want. It's one of those things that you can just fuss with forever. But remember, the wreath will be far away, probably on your door, long way from the street, so nobody will see your wreath up close. So just get it done. If you struggle, if you struggle with perfectionism the way I do sometimes, and just trying to get over it, it is good enough and it looks fantastic from the street. Now I'm just taking the existing pipe cleaners that I used with to secure the Deco Mesh, and I'm using it to secure all the decorations that I've chosen. And everything was bought at the local Dollarama, so it's very inexpensive. Here I'm just using again the existing pipe cleaners, attaching it a little bit to each one as I go around just to add a little pizzazz to the wreath. Now I'm just dovetailing the ends of the ribbons, fold them in half, use your scissors, not your good scissors, because the wire in the ribbon will not be friendly for your scissors. So with some pair of your non-favorite scissors, dovetail the ends of your ribbon. Now just spend your time to make sure that everything is secured. All of your pipe cleaners have secured everything down. Fuss with it. Don't worry about perfectionism. And there you have it. Quick, easy, fast, and it looks great on the outside of your door.